Hello, Trailblazers. So today we are going to record another session about Superbadge flow fundamental. So I have completed the not a prerequisite, but the module which is suggested by Trailhead to complete this Superbadge. We need to be complete this to gain the knowledge. So this is being done. Then in this supervised, we are going to be cover this part like creating an action record flow, resources flow, how to update and create decision, and some formula we are going to use in the flow. To complete this flow, Salesforce recommended to use a specific org for that module or supervisor specific. So we need to sign up. So to do the sign up, we just need to open the page. It will allow you to sign up another org, fill out the detail. Once details are filled up, you need to connect the org. Use the connect button at the bottom. Here we can see there is a drop down. You need to connect it. You need to save it. Once this is being saved, you can launch the org. It will be presenting you the org. Then we are going to be create first task. So let's see. Usually I just visit the task and just to find with the keyword like update book work, update the book order flow. So you can find this as well. So here are the book order giveaway. We need to add just a book order, call this create task. Now we need to add a decision. If order, these are the conditions. We need to create task. Then again we need to get use this queue to use this flow, and then some make sure task related to current sales tip. So we need to use this current sales, that is the owner or something, and what ID. And then we need to turn around time due date with this. So to use this, copy this flow. You will find this. This is the book order. This is already active, so no worries. We can open it. This is opening into a new tab. That's a great thing. We can preserve the page for future accesses. Now, meanwhile, this is opening. We can see the flow. This is being in the previous way how Salesforce is ordering, and it define the flow of execution. It will went again. There is a decision. This is going to be iterated again and again until you guys are want, and then it is creating record. So to do this, we can run it. We can check it how this is going to be run. Okay. So to that, go there. Then I would say definitely it is something from contact, because what it is saying get record book skin order. Okay, so not the order something, but yeah, let's see. Open the default view from here. There, list view. Then open any of the contact or the all. Now select anyone. Okay, so we don't have any. Yeah, see, this is being added to the contact record. That's a good one. And this we can also find it. Personalized book order, book entity, creating self, teamwork, added a new step, creating order. Now, next, it is showing some selections. I have selected this. Do you want to add additional book? If we will be saying this no, it will just book is created with one order. Then next. Again, if we are saying yes, we want to create, so it will just iterate the same screen again and again. Okay, until you are not toggling. So that's something we are going to be modify, because right now book orders created, but nothing is added as a task or something else. Okay, so go to again, then modify it. We may change it or not, but yes, decision element, how many books. So okay, how many books? So here it is adding. We can see this is being assigned. Here it is creating a record, and it is saying record created, getting queue. So we need to use this as well. So let's add something here. So to do that, I would change it, the view free form to auto layout, which will give us more benefit to add direct element wherever we want. This is being created. Create QA task. What it is doing. Okay, so it's something QA tips. No worries. We'll add another decision. Copy this. Always try to be copy. If there is a button, else use only the selected word. Then condition 3 or 4, 5 and 4, 5 or more. Okay. So if I would say book count 3 or 4, I will just type count. See, it is giving me count or book. Okay. So we have assignment. No, we need to use another variable, book count assignment. This is we need to use. So here, yeah, it's showing that means equals, and again variable that is showing this. Cool. Now 3 or 4. So 3 or 4. This is the condition to or, that is fine. Another book count where book edit. I would say greater than equal 5. That's what they want. Okay, 5 or more. Now we need to add a task, bookmark or sticker. So let's copy this. Create task. Create. I would add this. I would say manually task. Then we can firstly add the subject because that is the necessary one. Then what they said, honor we will be getting from this queue, records queue ID. Then what did they say more? Queue task what ID? Yes. So what ID should be the order ID? Create order book order. I see book order ID from create book order. That's great. Now we need due date. Okay, so they specifically define we need to create a formula name due date. So we need to create a formula due date. It is not saying, or it is also not allowing to create from here. So we'll use the toolbar, new resource, formula, this. It should be date, and they already defined this formula. So use this. Always make sure to check the syntax if we are missing. Then due date, due date. This is assigning owner. Double make sure they are getting header. They are getting queue. Developer name is this. Where fulfillment type queue. Search it the queue. See the name. What is having. Edit. Fulfillment type. So I think that is a correct. Yes, fulfillment type queue. Usually space replaced by underscore. Yeah. Cool. Then save it a new version at the moment. Then again we need to create task for this situation as well. So let's copy this, or we can directly copy this to this. Just adjust something like add bookmarks, remove this and click again and again, so it will have the automatic. And the thing which we need to change, only this thing we need to change, the rest will remain the same because they didn't specify anything for this one. All good. Now it is possible to configure multiple ways. So configure create record element, no assignment. You can test automation. Sure, we will be testing. Please activate. So to test this, we always need to be go with uh, 3 or 4. We need to add either 3 books, 4 books, or 5 books. So let's add. I am going to be use one by one. Next, again, this is a 2, this is a 3, and this is a 4, and this is a 5. And I don't want more at the moment. And see, your book has been created with 5 books included. Click in next. See the order. This is the latest one. Click it here. 5 books, it will have a task. So it doesn't have. So let's see what has been broken or not. Oh, something is not working. So let's review again. Oh, so, okay, it is good. Greater than or equal to 5, it should be work. Not, let's try again one more time. Close, close. I would be going with another contact. Not this. I would like to go with Andy. Create a book. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Uh, Go back. Now it should be give me order has been created with 4 books. Everything looks good. Number of order. Yeah, this is created, so that means it's work. Now let's test the 5 one. Again, it's always giving me this way, so that's not a good thing. Book 1, 2. Let's pick the random one. Maybe what I did, I selected a duplicate one that time. So I would like to go with beyond 5. Okay, 7. Now let's wait. Okay, let's see, does it created or not? See, created. So that's working. Might be that time flow activation was pending. Now let's check again. Check the book, create task, check challenge. It will take hardly 1 minute or 2, not more than that. If getting any error, it will just highlight with red error here. So it's passed. That means we are good. Now we need to work this. Add new element to the recommendations. Find this. Okay, what we need to work? Each a custom field book, a custom field recommendation. Okay, why should you read this book? The screen flow on the contact record should allow. Okay, so we need to find this flow. Okay, so we don't have. Let's see. Screen flow on the contact record. Let's search. Yeah. Yes, there we have. Again, it is activated. No worries. Click it, open it. And now what we are going to do, adjust the email body. First, adjust email body. Yeah, we have edit. What they are saying to adjust current recommendation. Then current recommendation field, customer, see book customer current recommendation field, including title, author, summary, customer. Okay, so let's go customer, get customer here, and then I would say first name always. Let's keep the same. We need to include recommendation as well. Make sure reader first name populated in the first time. So we did the same thing as per I read the content. So let's copy as it is. It will give us help while formatting the current recommendation. Recommendation we have current, don't worry. There we have current recommendation. Then we should have recommended. Yeah, so that's a good one. Then we need title, author, summary. So let's have first title. Then we should be having author. Then we should be having summary. So contact, okay. let's go with first this. We have, yeah, book title. Then again, normally always try to use this formula selection. It give us more precise selection. Sometime I use in the past, and this field mapping was not so good. So try to use this and the summary. Yeah, so that's all, and we can say great. No, oh, that's so we have adjusted the email summary. Ensure flow also update contact records, add date and time to the last outreach. Okay. So after all this, update. Okay. From it. Okay, it is running this. Let's assign that it is working. Set contact. Sorry. By mistakenly I added a wrong. I clicked the wrong word. Keyword as well. Okay. So I think I need to, oh, sorry, everything I need to undo again. Sorry. Should work. Yeah, it should work. Let's see. Yeah, our content is saved. That's good one. We saved some work. So assignment, set contact, last outreach. Okay. Um, Trigger contact, last outreach. Last outreach, their flow, current date. This is date field. Get record element, get customer, add use flow global variable to add a date and time. So I think we are good. Let's see what kind of field is this. So we can add it. It's a date time. So we need to use flow and date time. Save. Then update, record, update contact, where we can just pass the contact, just save and activate it. Okay. Again, this is something screen flow. It being configured from contact. So what we need to do, we need to close this one. We need to go to contact. Contact is here. Recommendation is here. Does we are able to see last? Okay, last outreach is there. So that is blank. Let's try. So see, this is coming automatically. Title, customer name, whatever they said, author, summary, cool. We'll add the next. It will send a notification. It will populate this. So that's a good one. So I think it's working. Let's try to validate again. Copy this or scroll down at the bottom. Okay, then check. Again, not so big time, hardly 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, so this saying we can't find a screen flow element called confirmation screen setup. Confirmation screen setup, something we have missed. Okay, a great confusion. Add a screen element to this called API name. The screen should display a text resource and final element to the flow. Okay, sorry, because with this we need to add a screen, not here I would say. And what they are saying, the screen element should be the final element in the recommendation email. Okay, so no worries. Okay, done. Then label is there, API name is there. Copy this, display text. This is something. Okay, so there is no set dot, so we don't need to use dot. Display result. Sometimes we miss, so we need to make sure we read everything. And I was thinking to add it here because it was asking, but it is not asking, it is a confirmation message. So yeah, it should work, I believe. Let's try again. Okay, so yeah, that's what the missing. So that's good. Now this is update birthday loyalty. So make the birthday loyalty. Okay, another flow is there. This is the one. So let's open the flow first. Okay. Oh, this is not activated. So no worries. We can't test it, but yeah, we will be doing this. Now what they are asking. Okay, again it is in this way. Let's reformat it. It is also giving us error. Now. Mhm. Birthday flow level, send email to reader birthday, a new feature loyalty program assign gold, silver, bronze. Adjust the birthday loyalty for automation, get reader's current loyalty stage, current status. Use the logic in the flow to update the points, contact birthday specific point. Okay, then improve automation. So I think first we need to make sure loyalty status we are getting, loyalty points we are getting, current record. Then we need to use this follow. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we are getting this into contact from email where we have birthday found, loop it through. Okay, for each. Okay, so we need to add it here. From feed loyalty before birthday. Okay, loyalty points. Let's see. Sign loop point. Do we have formula? Formula. Okay, we do have. Okay, we don't have formula. See, it's given that means we need to use it somewhere in the loop. The loyalty stage points, and we need to assign it to the updated loyal and loyalty points. Okay, and it should be the number. Decimal, I think 0, because point will never be in a decimal format. Done. Format. Assign loyalty points bonus. Okay. Okay, good. Now, do we have connection? The connection is there. Then what we need to do, we just need to update records. Yeah, it's allowing. So update customer contacts. Okay, save. What else they said? Only adjust point update flow, get record, status, current point, assign bonus point based upon birthday, gold, silver, bronze. Use the flow. Okay, only we need to assign it. So yeah, we are good. We will double make sure what it's saying. Send email, loop through email. No worries. I think we don't need to worry about it and activate it. Not sure do we need to activate or not, but yeah, let's try. Make update flow. Sure, yeah, great. It's happened and works very well. Yeah, so that's it. Do try by yourself and do comment. Let me know if anything you have any doubt or you need any help. Thank you.